Hey guys, so this is my Jamboard activity, and I use this in my online lesson module. In my online lesson module, the main assignment in the apply section was to create a 2-minute presentation comparing two Spanish-speaking cultures. So I used my Jamboard as a way for students to organize their ideas when comparing these two cultures. And here I have some examples that students could possibly write, and I think this is a good tool for this specific activity so that students can organize their thoughts and then use this as a guide for their presentation.